Hi everyone. I know creating a presentation takes a lot of time and a lot of expertise to create a professional presentation. What if I tell you now onwards you don't have to worry about the presentation, because you are following the TrendWise Global channel. I am going to help you to create the presentation hassle-free, in 30 seconds without any efforts. I know you are not believing it. Let's see how we are going to make a presentation in 30 seconds, with the help of artificial intelligence. Later, don't tell TrendWise Global didn't told us. Ready? Let's have a countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here are the 4 AI websites on the screen that will help you create the presentation in 30 seconds. You have to register on their website. Let's see step by step how to create a presentation in 30 seconds. Step 1. Login/register on their website. I have already registered on tome.app website. Step 2. You will be able to see the dashboard. Step 3. Click Create button on the top right corner. Step 4. Enter your presentation title. I have entered presentation on India. Step 5. Your presentation is ready. If you find this video informative, like the video, share the video, subscribe to channel for more such videos.